Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a question from algebra and we'll learn how to solve it because it needs some critical thinking. The question is solve x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole power 3 and x plus 3 whole power 4 is equal to 2. So this is, if I'll expand it, it will be a complicated expression. So to avoid this, let me apply some thinking that I am taking x plus 2 as another variable, let it be y. That means if x plus 2 is y, x plus 1 will be y minus 1 and x plus 3 would be y plus 1. So x plus 1 is y minus 1, replacing x with y, and the second one is x plus 2 will be y power 3, and third one will be x plus 3 will be y plus 1 whole power 4 equals to 2. So next I'll expand this with the formula. So y minus 1 whole square will be y square plus 1 minus twice y cube, second one, y plus 1 power 4 we can expand using y plus 1 square or by binomial theorem. I am expanding by binomial theorem. It is y power 4 plus 4c1, that will be 4 y power 3, then 4c2, it will be 6 y power 2, then 4c3, again 4 power, and y plus 1 equals to 2. So simplifying and arranging according to the highest exponent, I'll get y power 4 and y cube, 4y cube gives me 5y cube. Next is y square, 1y square here, 6y square here, so it will make 7y square. Next is 4y minus 2y plus 2y, and this you will see left hand side 2 and will be cancelled with right side 2, it will be 0. So y4 plus 5y cube plus 7y square plus 2y is 0. So it has become now a polynomial with degree 4. So I'll get 4 values of y. So I am applying the factor theorem. First I can take one y common, so that it will be y cube plus 5y square plus 7y plus 2 is 0. That means y is a factor. Y is equal to 0 is a solution of this equation. Next is, here I am getting y is equal to 0, 1. Next is this y cube plus 5y square plus 7y plus 2. Equals to 0 when y equals to minus 2. If I to put minus 2, it will be minus 8 plus it will be 20 minus 14 plus 2 equals to 0. That means y plus 2 is a factor again. So one is y is a factor, then y plus 2 is a factor. Next is, to get the other two factors, I am dividing y cube plus 5y square plus 7y plus 2 dividing with y plus 2. Here I'll get, let me divide here, y cube plus 5y square plus 7y plus 2 dividing by y plus 2. I'll get here y square, y cube plus 2y square, 3y square plus 7y plus 2 here plus 3y, then it will be 3y square plus 6y. So here y plus 2, this will be plus 1. So this is equal to y square plus 3y plus 1. So now I am writing the equation again, this starting from this step. So I am getting y into y plus 2 multiplies y cube plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So here these conditions are there. It's not y cube, by mistake I have written, it will be y square. So one is y is equal to 0, one is y plus 2 is equal to 0, or y is equal to minus 2, and this factor is y square plus 3y plus 1. From this I'll apply the quadratic formula. So y is equal to minus 3 plus minus b square 9 minus 4 over 2. That will be minus 3 plus minus square root 5 by 2. So these are the value of x, y. Then we'll go for x. First, case 1, y is equals to 0. That means x plus 2 is 0, or x is equal to minus 2. Next, y equals to minus 2. That means x plus 2 equals to minus 2, or x is equals to minus 4. And third is y equals to minus 3 plus under root 5 2. Here x plus 2 equals to minus 3 plus root 5 over 2, or x equals to your minus 2 minus 3 plus root 5 by 2 is 2. Okay, let me write very clearly. So it will be minus 2 into 2 minus 3 plus under root 5 by 2, or x equals to minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus root 5 over 2. And when y equals to minus 3 minus root 5 over 2, because here I'll get two values, at that time x plus 2 equals to minus 3 minus root 5 over 2, or x equals to minus 4 minus 3 minus root 7 by 2. It will be, we could write together. So what are the four values of x? X is equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 4. These are the rational roots. And x equals to minus 7 plus root 5 over 2. X equals to minus 7 minus root 5 over 2. Solutions. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching.